Here we have the first leak hands-on and official images of the Galaxy S25 series, along with their packaging, have been leaked. Numerous tweets have surfaced showcasing these images. Although Samsung's Unpacked event is happening today, leaks from multiple sources have already revealed the Galaxy S25 series. Starting with the Galaxy S25, it boasts a sleek, refined design with enhanced ergonomics. The S25 Plus builds on this with a larger form factor, catering to those who prefer bigger devices. Lastly, the Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the spotlight with its premium build quality, advanced camera setup, and state-of-the-art features. Each model is displayed alongside its box, offering a sneak peek at the packaging and design aesthetics. These leaks give us an exciting glimpse into Samsung's next-generation flagship lineup. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is set to debut at the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra being the most premium offering. Among its features, a 16 GB RAM variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated. However, a recent report suggests this high-capacity model will be limited to specific markets. Renowned tipster Yon indicates that the 16 GB RAM variant will be exclusive to the Asian market, meaning it might not be available globally. The countries expected to receive the 16 GB RAM version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra include India, South Korea, China, Vietnam. These regions will benefit from the higher RAM option, making it an excellent choice for gaming and resource-intensive applications. This configuration is particularly suited for users who demand exceptional multitasking and performance capabilities. For those prioritizing top-tier efficiency, the 16 GB variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will undoubtedly stand out. The Galaxy S25 series. What's new and exciting? Samsung is set to reveal its latest Galaxy S25 series in just 2 days, and thanks to a leak from Evan Blass, we now have a closer look at what to expect. The leaked marketing materials highlight some exciting features and key specs. Exciting features: Galaxy AI, a smarter experience powered by AI. Night video with audio eraser. This AI-driven feature lets you record clear, vibrant videos even in low light. It reduces video noise, the grainy look in dim settings, and audio noise, unwanted background sounds. Camera and display. Front cameras take selfies with natural skin tones and realistic textures. Screen sizes: Galaxy S25, 6.2 inches. Galaxy S25 Plus, 6.7 inches. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 6.9 inches. Main camera resolutions: Galaxy S25, 50 megapixel. Galaxy S25 Plus, 50 megapixel. Galaxy S25 Ultra, a massive 200 megapixel camera for stunning detail. Battery and extras. Battery capacities: Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh. Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. S Pen included. Only the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with an S Pen, making it perfect for productivity and creativity. Here we have the first official hands-on images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra shows the S25 Ultra with its box. Tech lovers, get ready for some exciting news. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is here to steal the spotlight. We just got our first glimpse of this flagship in the form of leaked hands-on images. Let's break it all down. This leak comes from a trusted source in the tech world, known for teasing early details about Samsung's top-tier devices. The photos show what appears to be a pre-release unit of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The design is nothing short of premium. The sleek matte back panel retains a similar aesthetic to its predecessor, but take a closer look at those refined camera cutouts. They're more seamless than ever. It seems Samsung is staying true to the design language of the S23 and S24 Ultra, while introducing subtle yet elegant refinements. Turning to the front, we see the signature dynamic AMOLED display, which is likely a 6.8-inch panel. The bezels are practically invisible, and the punch-hole camera is subtly positioned at the top. The interface shown in the leak suggests One UI 7 based on Android 15, bringing smoother animations and even more customization. Here we have some blastable news today about the Galaxy S25 series, especially S25 Ultra. First of all, here we have new teaser about the Galaxy S25 series video nightography and audio eraser shared by a Twitter leaker at Vision Creation. Let's take a look. Today, several confirmed tweets from renowned tipster Ice Universe have shed light on the much-anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. A particularly intriguing image shared by Android Headlines showcases the Galaxy S25 series, with a special focus on the artificial intelligence-powered Galaxy S25 Ultra. Ice Universe himself responded to the post saying, "I like it," adding more weight to the buzz. This teaser-style image gives us a clear look at the confirmed design of the Galaxy S25 series. Notably, the S25 Ultra boasts incredibly slim bezels, even slimmer than the already sleek Galaxy S24 Ultra. The camera ring design appears to take inspiration from the Z Fold 6, lending the series a modern and relatable aesthetic. In another tweet, a detailed size comparison of the four models in the S25 series has been revealed. According to the leaks, these are the finalized sizes and designs, providing a clear glimpse of what Samsung has in store. Additionally, an exciting image has surfaced comparing the screens of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra, and S25 Ultra. The improvements in the S25 Ultra's display are noticeable, with enhanced clarity and better screen-to-body ratios sealing the show. To top it all off, a comparison of thickness between the S25 series models has also been shared. Here are the highlights. Galaxy S25, 7.2mm. Galaxy S25 Plus, 7.3mm. Galaxy S25 Slim, 6.4mm, thin and ultralight. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 8.2mm. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's slimmest and most refined powerhouse yet. With its cutting-edge design, improved camera setup, and sleek form factor, it's clear Samsung is raising the bar once again. The latest reveal includes an image showcasing Samsung's official leather cases for the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. On X, user at @JukanLosrive shared an image featuring the retail packaging and leather cases for these devices. The image highlights Samsung's official leather case for the Galaxy S25 Plus in two colors, gray and sky blue. For the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the cases are available in three colors: black, gray, and orange. Notably, the cases feature metal or metallic covers for the power and volume buttons, replacing the usual cutout design. Samsung has released two new teasers on its official YouTube channel. The first teaser highlights the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, while the second focuses on showcasing Samsung's artificial intelligence features. Let's take a look.
Blade.
In the era of AI, privacy has become more important than ever before, as AI connects and transforms our lives in ways we never imagined. Like when it suggests when to leave for work based on traffic, or reminds you to use that expiring coupon to fuel up for a busy day ahead. But privacy threats have also evolved. To give you peace of mind when using your phone, we've strengthened our baseline protection. For enhanced on-device security, your personalized data is processed and combined in the Personal Data Engine, where it is encrypted and securely saved, inaccessible to anyone else, with the decryption key safely stored inside with Knox Vault. Your devices, connected in an ecosystem, protect each other with Knox Matrix, ensuring safe data transfers, while post-quantum cryptography defends against future threats. With 7 years of security and OS updates, long-term protection is guaranteed. And when using Cloud AI, your data is neither shared with others nor used for targeted ads. In the end, you should have full control over your privacy and the power to choose your privacy settings. Even in the era of AI, We believe your personal data should stay personal.
Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.